Yes. Stop it, Tana. Yeah, man, at 22 minutes after 10, Zimbabwe, welcome to the one and only Zim Dancehall Overdrive. If you're joining us for the first time, this is the baddest dancehall show. And tonight, we have Eyetal Fyah. Give it to me, Tana.
My sound is about fun, my sound is a bit of irony, is a filler. Funeral, police and everything to be in balance.
It's the king, man.
Yeah, man.
Please make sure the lyrical content is very, very clean
and pure.
Very clean. Yeah, man, and no politics in it.
Jano.
Yeah, tell her, man, well, I want you to juggle two crazy rhythms. Give me number one, please.
Yo, pull up that Tana. No boy. Major, war time now. Expensive style. No boy. No guy, no boy. No boy. Can send trade to we, no time. No boy. No guy, no boy. Concentrate to we. I want to do some food where you're running and talk about and chatting about gossiping around down cloud. Talk about everything from car to your spouse and rumors around from north down to south and what them a talk about. Me no know dog. Respect everybody, no say them no take talk. One bag of yapping and you get a long tongue cut. Hierarchy is a warning. What me say? None of the guns on me boss me a borrow. When we a war, we no left what we armor. Once them sing like we are not a yamo.
Bring it back. One more time, please.
No boy. No guy. No boy. Concentrate to we. Boom. I want to do some food where you're running and talk about and chatting about gossiping around down cloud. Talk about everything from car to your spouse and rumors around from north down to south and what them a talk about. Me no know that. Respect everybody, no say them no take talk. One bag of yapping and you get a long tongue cut. Me have a thing, alright, boom. None of me guns when me boss me a borrow. When we a war, we no left what we armor. Guns them sing like Rihanna Teyamo. Just a boy them fake like Zinferagamo. None of me guns when me boss me a borrow. When we a war, we no left what we armor. Guns them sing like Rihanna Teyamo. Just a boy them fake like Zinferagamo. We say, no boy. No guy. Concentrate to it, no time. No boy. No guy, no boy. Mix me no Tana to it, boom. Wano. Yeah, man. All on the Tana, me just think of this. There's a thing called rugu in the streets.
Yeah.
Too much badness. Ghetto youths, ngunzu. Zvakashata, zvakawandisa. You know, tismaratsa tozongonongedzerwa pekupedzera pachonzi awo ndo vaita. But it is serious.
But too much rugu.
Yeah, too much badness, negativity in the society.
Yeah, man.
Ghetto youths, this is my cry to you, please.
Yeah, man, give it to me, Tana.
Let's go. Major! Dancehall style, serious style. Expensive style. Rugu this, rugu that. And boy, where you do that, you not tell them to stop, yeah. Badness and us like this, what that them a practice. Getting hype on a substance. Gukamaka think them think they have to stop. No follow back a man, them think they have to stop. No ningin, I'm just no they have to stop. No fuck people, man, them think they have to stop. So said, get your youth like zombie. Them only plastic, them full of automatic. Change your recipe brand from gossip, don't promote it. I beg you, no, please don't support it. I know you like it, I know you praise it, I know you buy it, but one thing yo, too much energy, Godfather.
Yeah, now.
Tell me goes again. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. Don't break yourself. Batman no work for no police. Check your shelf and check your ends and check your health. And remember your health is your wealth. Wherever there is vanity, run from them, no take a seat. And this no one not done for politics, no big because they go lyrics. Them are no plastic, them full of automatic. Change your recipe, run from gossip, don't promote it. I beg you, no, please don't support it. I know you like it, I know you buy it, I know you praise it, but one thing me tell you, no, don't. Who come a cutting them thing they have to stop. No follow back a man, them thing they have to stop. No ning in a we press them thing they have to stop. No rugu things in a we press them have to stop. So said get your use like zombies. Suicide all them end up like dopey. Some boy a broke shop and thief chili. Them boy them silly everywhere them ask me. Wagwan jena wagwano. Wagwan jena wagwano. Wagwan jena wagwan everywhere when we go. Bah! Nature! Expensive style.
You see now, King?
Yeah, man.
From the way you come, you're just ready for war. Anything you touch, you just want war.
Yeah, man, ready.
Now my question to you is, now Irati, yeah, man, him answer already and him want war.
Him dead already.
But now, now the question is, if another artist answers again and him want war.
Me ready.
You ready?
Two France.
Two France.
We are going to fight two France.
No problem, you ready for that?
If I dance or polygam, yes. You ready? Make them come.
Oh yeah. Now Zimbabwe, this is an open challenge. We are live on the leading radio station Star FM. And I have the superstar, hardcore artist here, and his name is Eyetal Fyah. And he has him put a challenge himself from day one. Me put a challenge, and it was never directed to the one Irati, but it's a blessing that Irati Agadaira. And he just confirmed again, if another artist Agadaira challenge, and guys, I am ready because this is the season, and people never really knew the other side of me. And this is the season where they have to know and appreciate that I am a dancehall war machine. Yeah, man, his name is Eyetal Fyah.
Yes,
Father. King.
Riddim still playing, Father.
Riddim still playing. So you want a piece of it again?
Yeah, man, still playing.
A piece of it again?
Yeah.
Let it go.
Every time Riddim play, we have to sing. When we say BAD, me a the baddest thing in the industry. In the industry, me a the baddest thing. But me no know how some boy them a try test me. I miss a KILING, killy business like the CID. Everywhere me go, yes, I'm a VIP. Me good the flex like the what EP. Oh, bada like the man in Suku. Real warrior, me flex like Shaka Zulu. Ugly face boy, me no Fred and no. Different pattern, DJ Alan Pulo. Me no matter where the matter can offer them a bogus. None of them no real, them a two-stripe Adidas.
Talk to me right now on 0772162651. Talk to me on Facebook if you want war on the 10th of July. Chingonyora Guti, Eyetal Fyah versus Irati. Then we'll wait for Irati to respond tomorrow. But Zimbabwe, if you want war, just say Eyetal Fyah versus Irati, 10 July. Yo, tell us, squeeze in the final reading for me, please. Squeeze in the final reading for me tonight. The man is with enough energy, just want to tear down the place.
Yo, when we say bad, it's a no connecting. You recognize real, we connecting. No, yo, to me say it's a ghetto man thing. Expensive stars, some boys say them a bad man, but them a bad man pretender. Sell out the link, most of them a friend. Push up on no one, them if you know you what defend. Future no gen and never sell off the paper. Notice, no clash, can put you under pressure. Defend the title, yes, that to no remember. You recognize me, you want me bread and no pressure straight from January. From me no sell out the link, you are partner. Some man a informer, I write a informer. When we say bad, it's a no connecting. We recognize real reconnecting. Loyalty me say it's a ghetto man thing. Expensive stars. Some boys said I'm a Batman, but them a Batman pretender. Sell out the link, most of them a friend. Which up you and them if you know you would defend. You general never sell out the paper, no this, no clash. Can put you under pressure. Defend the title, yes, that you know remember. We recognize real, you want me bread and no pressure. Straight from January. From me no sell out the link you are. Bartender, real to the thing you are. Help me Godfather. Bartender, bartender. From me no sell out the link you are. Bartender, real to the thing you are. Bartender, up to the time you are. Bartender, bartender. When me say me friend them are no China made. Too original like the butter where you spread pan bread. Separate the real from the ones them were fake. Real Jenna, you got put no chest them if you have a true brother. Real Jenna never change like weather. Fix with me friend the jump on yam like dinner. No long talking business we no inner. From me no sell out the lingo you are. Bartender, real to the thing you are. Up to the time you are.
You have to put an S, a T-O-P on that one. Yo, so it is official, Rasta.
Wow, is
10 July. The people them want it.
Yeah.
The youth them want it. And now we wait for Irati to come through tomorrow.
Yeah,
if Irati accepts it, then definitely on the 10th July, there's no doubt about it.
Yeah, man.
Live on Star FM.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Ready,
we just lock off the door. We lock up the door.
We see if another artist could risk them life and jump in at the word.
So, Zimbabwe, the challenge is still open to any artist who thinks that them better than the one Eyetal Fyah, and if he thinks you are a national and the international more than the one, Eyetal Fyah, I'm ready for you.
Come defend yourself.
Come defend yourself.
Yeah, merch.
From the one Eyetal Fyah, him say, come defend yourself.
Yeah.
King, I just want to pull up the reading for the final time. Can you give me something different, just a chorus, a face, or anything?
Okay.
Just anything. Can you do that for me? Yo, Tana.
Yo. People. Alright. This is a brand new thing when them Batman shellings. Push up on one them from me know you got my ratings. Real less. Never mix up in no tellings. We no girls. Cause we no go carry feelings. Some boy them in no tellings. They must be working for telewa.
Stop it right there. Oh, yo, stop it. Yo, King, thank you so much.
Respect, Godfather.
King, before you go, my works are about papi.
Well, everything is on Eyetal Fyah Live. That is EYETAL space FYAH space LIVE. Eyetal Fyah. That's my handle on all platforms.
Oh, so people can just get the new vibes.
Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, anyway.
Give thanks, King Man.
Yeah, man.
King Man, hopefully we see you on the 10th of July.
Yeah, man.
Thank you so much for making time and for coming through tonight.
I hope the boy will not die before that day.
Oh, yo. Yes, Zimbabwe, that was Eyetal Fyah. Him say him one war and him just wish more healthy days for Eyetal Fyah until for the one Irati until him reach the 10th of July. I was Paul King man Masibisa. Yes, I. Yes, Solomon. Let that one go.
Never sat on a rebate. Switch. Super Suka, Oskid, Swanawena Oski. The riddim ni furniture fast, popular dusty, abatwanda valley kulast. Resfa karitaza I must. Sakata kungoti switched off kungenas Aunga delele chimdara chireke. Aubone kutimicha riddim yekishen. Wacha just like washing. Uhamba nyepi ask me now location. Udoba unga doba seni. Faka wani ndimatota ukulile. Swandela ni vanelo kuzeni. Nikakuchaya bama unofunga godabeni. But angas aisi godabeni. So apuma lo when I'm topping. Mina niya kutanda tandwa zami. So kuluma no kuluma nawe. Aunga tamba nane. Aunga teti luto. Vala ngebejo tichiva pesa muto. Aunga teti luto. Atiri wino topeza njito. Bambo. Aunga teti luto. Vala ngebejo tichiva pesa muto. Aunga teti luto. Atiri wino topeza njito. Kuti